How's it, guys? Welcome to the channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna give you a cool secret to make Amapiano shakers, professional Amapiano shakers. So I'm gonna play the beat now so that you can hear how the shaker sounds. Then I will explain you my secret. Okay, let him play the beat. Okay, so now let me explain the secret. Okay, I'm using this plugin GrooveMate 1 for the shakers. Okay, so the first one, I'm using this preset quarter fill shaker 1. Okay, this is the preset. Let's listen how it sounds alone. And the next one, again same plugin GrooveMate 1, the same preset, but this is fill shaker 2. The first one was fill shaker 1. As you can see, let's see how it sounds. Okay, and the next one, the third one, I'm using again the GrooveMate full quarter fill shaker 1 again. Each of them sound different, so let's see how they sound together. You see, it's very easy. You just, as you can see, feel each 4 steps. Okay, feel each 4 steps. I'm using this. Feel each 4 steps, feel each 4 steps. Then I'll come here to delays. The secret is here on the delays. Let me turn off the delays. Okay, as you can hear, it's basic. Just feel each 4 steps. Okay, so let's make the first one now with delays. Without, as you can see, feel each 4 steps. Okay, the secret is here, the delays. Now with the delays, without, with it. I'm using this analog delay. It was free for a limited time. You can see, you can copy the settings if you like. Okay, without, with it. Very easy. Then the next one, I'm using this delay, instant delay from what's this, plugin Alliance. Okay, let's see how it sounds without first. Now with the delay one. Okay, different with the other one. Chaka cha, chaka cha. And the last one, without the delay, I'm using this another delay with the delay. Okay, it's very easy all together. Okay, without, now with Then finally I'll add this open hi-hat with this one. For the open hi-hat, I'm using this plugin Tracks. Okay, it was free for a limited time also. Okay, that's it for the tutorial. Just want to share with you how I make my shakers. So let's listen to the beat, then that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.